How to get your first car. A step-by-step guide to achieving a milestone. Owning your first car is more than just a financial achievement. It's a symbol of independence, freedom, and progress. It's about taking a significant step forward in life, whether it's for work, personal growth, or the sheer joy of driving your own vehicle. But for many, this goal feels overwhelming. How do you afford it? Where do you start? In this guide, we'll break down how to get your first car with a practical, step-by-step approach. Whether you're on a tight budget or saving for something more ambitious, these steps will put you on the road, literally, to owning your first car. Number 1. Define your why. Before you dive into the details, ask yourself, why do I need a car? Is it for commuting to work or school? Do you need it for long road trips? Are you aiming for convenience in your daily life? Your reason will determine the type of car you should aim for. For instance, a small, fuel-efficient car might be ideal for city commutes. A reliable used car could be perfect if you're on a budget. A more spacious vehicle might be better for family or long-distance driving. Number 2. Set a budget you can afford. Buying a car is exciting, but it's also a significant financial responsibility. Start by understanding your budget. Initial costs, the price of the car, taxes, and registration fees. Ongoing costs, fuel, insurance, maintenance, and repairs. A good rule of thumb is to spend no more than 15% of your monthly income on car expenses. If you're financing, calculate the monthly payments you can afford without stretching your budget too thin. Number 3. Save, save, save. For many, getting a first car requires some disciplined saving. Here's how you can build your car fund. Set a savings goal. Based on the car you want, decide how much you need to save. Create a separate account. Open a dedicated savings account for your car fund. Cut unnecessary expenses. Reduce dining out, subscriptions, or impulse purchases. Earn extra income. Take on a side hustle or freelance work to boost your savings faster. Even small contributions add up over time. Automate your savings if possible to stay consistent. Number 4. Research your options. Not all cars are created equal, especially when you're buying your first one. Spend time researching cars that fit your budget and needs. Look for vehicles with good fuel efficiency and low maintenance costs. Check reviews and reliability ratings to avoid buying a car that may cost you more in repairs later. Compare new versus used cars. Used cars are often more affordable, but you'll need to ensure they're in good condition. Number 5. Consider financing options. If you don't have enough cash saved up, financing is an option, but do it wisely. Down payment. Save for at least 20% of the car's price as a down payment. This reduces your monthly payments and interest over time. Loan terms. Compare interest rates and repayment terms from banks, credit unions, and dealerships. Credit score. A good credit score can help you secure better loan terms. If your credit isn't great, work on improving it before applying. Number 6. Test drive and inspect. Once you've narrowed down your options, test drive the car before making a decision. Check how it feels on the road. Is it comfortable? Does it suit your driving style? Inspect the car for any signs of damage or wear, especially if it's used. If you're not confident in assessing the car yourself, bring along a trusted mechanic for an expert opinion. Number 7. Negotiate the price. Don't accept the first price offered, especially if you're buying from a dealership or a private seller. Research the market value of the car you're interested in. Websites like Kelley Blue Book or Edmunds can help. Use this information to negotiate a fair price. Remember, sellers often expect some negotiation, so don't be afraid to ask for a lower price or additional perks like free servicing. Number 8. Insurance is non-negotiable. Before you can legally drive your new car, you'll need insurance. Shop around for the best policy that covers your needs. Compare quotes from multiple providers. Look for discounts for first-time drivers or safe driving habits. Ensure your policy meets the minimum legal requirements in your area. Number 9. Plan for maintenance. A car isn't a one-time expense. It requires ongoing care to keep it running smoothly. Regular maintenance, oil changes, tire rotations, and brake checks. Emergency repairs. Have a small fund set aside for unexpected costs. Learn basic car maintenance tasks like checking tire pressure or changing wiper blades to save money. Number 10. Celebrate the achievement. Finally, don't forget to celebrate this milestone. Getting your first car is a major achievement that represents hard work, discipline, and progress. Take your car for its first drive, but remember to stay responsible. Your car is not just a possession. It's a tool that will serve you for years if you care for it properly. At the end, getting your first car may seem daunting, but it's entirely possible with the right plan and mindset. It's not just about buying a vehicle. It's about proving to yourself that you can set a goal and achieve it. So, start today. Define your purpose, save diligently, and educate yourself about the process. Before you know it, you'll be sitting behind the wheel of your first car, proud of what you've accomplished. And remember, it's not just about the destination. It's about the journey you took to get there. Drive safe and drive smart.